Good morning. In this section, we are going to see about the topic streetlights that glow on detecting vehicle movement. Generally, streetlights are switched on for whole night and during the day they are switched off. But during the night time, streetlights are not necessary if there is no traffic. Saving of this energy is very important factor these days as energy resources are getting reduced day by day. Alternatives for natural resources are very less and our next generation may face lot of problems because of lack of these natural resources. This article describes about the circuit that switches the street lights on detecting vehicle movement and remains off after fixed time. The main aim of this section is to promote the energy efficiency and the balanced use of energy resources, to endorse renewable and new energy sources, and to unkeep energy variation. Now I am going to explain how the circuit diagram works. The proposed circuit consists of 80 mega 8 microcontroller, PIR sensor, light dependent resistor and real-time clock, liquid crystal display. Passive infrared sensor, also called as PIR sensor, is connected to the PDO pin of the microcontroller. PIR sensor senses the motion of the objects. The PIR sensor internally will have an IR detector. Every object in the world radiates some IR rays. Those are invisible to the human eye, but electronic components can detect them. Different objects will emit IR rays of different wavelength. These rays were detected by the PIR sensor. The PIR is initially high and is set to low automatically after some time. Whenever it detects the motion of any object, it becomes low. LDR is connected to the ADC pin ADC-C0 of the microcontroller. As the LDR will produce analog value which is converted to digital by the ADC. Light dependent resistors will have low resistance in the light and high resistance in dark. The resistance of light dependent resistor in dark is in range of ohms and in dark its resistance is in the range of mega ohms. When the light falls on the LDR, its resistance is reduced to a great extent. Real-time clock IC used is DS1307 which is 12C compatible. Real-time clock has 8 pins. 1 and 2 pins are connected to the crystal oscillator, 3rd pin is connected to the battery, 6th pin of RTC is connected to the PC5 pin of the microcontroller, 5th pin is connected to PC4 pin of the microcontroller. I2C is inter-integrated circuit. This is two-wire interface protocol in which only 2 signals were used to transmit the data between 2 devices. LCD is used for displaying time. LCD interfacing in 4-bit mode is shown in the circuit diagram. Time from RTC is read and displayed on the LCD. This is achieved by sensing an approaching vehicle and then switches on a block of street lights ahead of the vehicle. As the vehicle passes by, the trailing lights switch off automatically. Thus, we save a lot of energy. However, there is another mode of operation where instead of switching off the lights completely, they remain on with 10% of maximum intensity. The circuit components are the 80 mega 8 microcontroller, DS1307 IC, PIR sensor, LDR and LCD. Implementation. The illumination comes from LED bulbs which are triggered by motion sensors. As a person or car approaches, their movement is detected by the closest street light and its output goes up to 100%. The lights are all wirelessly linked to one another. The surrounding lights also come on and only go back down to 20% once the commutator has passed through. This essentially creates a pool of light that precedes and follows people wherever they go. So any tongues lurking in the area should be clearly visible well in advance. The light's wireless communication system also allows them to automatically notify a central control room when failures, such as the burnout bulbs occurs. This should make maintenance much simpler as crews will know exactly where to go. Some of the main applications of street lights that glow on detecting vehicles are: this circuit can be used in real-time street lights and highways also. This can be used for lights in parking areas of industries, hotels and restaurants. The main advantage of this circuit is it is uses LED bulbs, so it is very low cost and it has more lifespan. Maximum energy can be saved. Thus, I conclude this section by saying that wireless is a buzz of the communication industry today. The field of wireless communication is growing leaps and bounds day by day. The main aim of this project is to save the power. By using it effectively, we can save more power. This can be used in long roadways between the cities. Here, we are saving lot of power without any wastage. By this advanced technology, we can design many more systems. Thank you.